Good morning, students. Today we will prove the degree measure theorem by activity method. For this, we will cut three circles of equal size, that is three congruent circles. Now we will make the angle made by the RKB. This is the RKB at the center, and angle made by the same arc at the remaining part of circle. For this, I will put three circles such that they will cover each other. I will fold the circle at point A, then I will fold the circle passing through the point B. Now you will get two straight lines. Now join it by the scale like this. Join A with center. Now this is the angle made by the arc at the point O. You will again make the line OA and OB at the second circle. You will draw the straight line at the fold. This is the fold, and you will draw the straight line. This is the center, this is the RKB. Now similarly, you will make the angle at the remaining part of the circle. You will make the fold passing through A. Similarly, you will make the fold passing through the B. Now, so that you will get the two straight lines. Now draw the line at the fold passing through A. Similarly, you will draw the line passing through B at the fold. Now repeat this. Repeat this at the three circle. Now draw the arc at O. Draw the arc at O in two other circle. Now draw the arc at remaining part of the circle. Now cut the angle at the remaining part of the circle. You will make the copy Again you will cut the angle at remaining part of the circle in second circle. Now these are two circles at the remaining part of circle. Now cover these angle. Now what will you see? You will see that these two angles cover the angle at the center, that is AOB. That means that the angle AOB is twice of the angle at the remaining part of the circle. So this is the degree measure theorem, that the angle made by the arc at the center is double the angle made by the same arc at the remaining part of the circle, because the two angle cover the angle AOB. So that is the proof of degree measure theorem by activity method. Thank you. Now you will cut 3 circles and paste on the left hand side of your practical notebook, and the theory I will send on WhatsApp group. Thank you.